Are you looking for better connections in love, in life, and in your money situation? Stay tuned because I'm going to share the prayer that I say every single day that can change your life for the better. Mary Magdalene came to me one morning, it's always 3 o'clock, and she said, Rebecca, you already have soul connections, soul contracts, and you're not magnetizing them the way you could be. And I'm thinking, well, you mean I can be active in magnetizing good stuff to myself, good soul connections? And she said, yes, say this prayer. First of all, refill yourself with Holy Spirit. So, dear Holy Spirit, please refill my cup with joy. That's step number 1. Then step number 2, dear Holy Spirit, please connect me with those I'm meant to serve. Step number 3, and we leave this out, dear Holy Spirit, connect me with those who are meant to serve me. How about that? That sounds good, right? We never think about, oh, somebody could be contracted to serve me. And then next, Holy Spirit, connect me with those whom we are meant to serve together. Because it's all about service, right? Now I have made so many great connections since I added this part. Dear Holy Spirit, connect me with new techniques, new information, new software maybe, new things that will help us all serve together. And let me tell you, saying this prayer, I say it before my feet hit the floor, and I have had fabulous connections. You already have the soul contracts. You're just calling them to you more quickly. I'm Rebecca Marina, EFT expert, energy healer. I certify people in EFT, forensic EFT, the kind that digs really deep and turns you into a intuitive healer like crazy. Like, subscribe, and share this video with someone you know whose life could be better if they embrace this prayer.